So before working on any machine, please refer to your operator or owner's manual for further safety instructions. Hey everybody, Tom from Weingartz. Today we're going to be doing some maintenance on our Cadet XT3 with the Kohler V-twin in it. For filming purposes, I am going to be taking the hood off. So I'm going to get the pump, move forward, I'm going to pull the hood off. All right, we're going to start by replacing our air filter in our XT3 here. So we got our air filter provided by Weingartz. We have 6 locations here in Michigan or at Weingartz.com. On this particular machine, you got one wing nut here in the very top of the engine. I'm going to turn that counterclockwise to get the air filter off. Once you get the top cover off, there's another wing nut on the inside of the air filter. Going to pull that off along with the metal cover. Save the cover, you're going to reuse that on the new one. With these air filters, we do not recommend to use any compressed air to clean them out. If you do have to clean them out, just gently knock them off on something. As far as the pre-filters go, you can either use soap and water to wash them out or just replace them as necessary. So in this particular case, we're just going to go ahead and replace them. We're going to put our pre-foam on. Make sure to cover the pleated side. Clean any dirt or debris out of the top of the air cleaner. Reinstall our air filter, make sure it's properly seated. Reinstall our metal cover. And reinstall the first wing nut. You don't have to reef down on this, just get it so it's tight. We're going to reinstall our cover. And on this one, the bigger side is going to go towards the driver of the tractor, so towards the back of the tractor. Your Kohler side is going to face the front. And tighten back down our wing nut. We're all set. Now we're going to replace the spark plugs on our XT3 with the Kohler engine in it. On this, you're going to need a 5/8 spark plug socket and ratchet. And you're going to need 2 spark plugs. On this, we're going to be using a NGK FR4, or you can also use a Champion RC12YC. So we'll start on the left side of the engine. We'll pull our spark plug boot. Remove the old spark plug. And when installing new spark plugs, we will check the gap. And the gap on these, they recommend 0.28. And we'll reinstall. And we'll thread these in by hand as far as we can go. Here's our ratchet. And we'll tighten them down until snug, and then we'll do a quarter turn more. Reinstall our spark plug boot, and we'll move to the right side. Same thing on this side, remove the spark plug boot. Remove the old spark plug. Double check the gap on our new one. Reinstall by hand. And tighten down till snug and quarter turn more. Reinstall our spark plug boot. Now test for operation.